I just wanted to give you guys something back. I want to do a giveaway. The winner's gonna win a really nice gift, guys. What's up, guys? This is Abraham with the Mogul. How's everybody doing? Well, the year's pretty much over. We got another day left. I just wanted to give you guys something back. I want to do a giveaway, which is gonna happen on January 15th. I'm gonna pull a name out of a hat, and the winner's gonna win a really nice gift, guys. I just want to thank everybody for watching our channel. It's been a pretty crazy year. I had a great time. I started, YouTube this year, so it was amazing. A lot of struggles, trying to get used to this camera and all that stuff, because I've never been a camera person in my life. So, this is something new. I just want to say again, thank you everybody for subscribing, watching our channel, for the great comments and the bad comments. I don't mind, like I like to learn. If I'm doing something wrong, no, not a problem. I do make mistakes. So I just want to say thank you to everybody who's been supporting us. And I hope next year you guys have an amazing year for 2019. May all your wishes and dreams come true, guys. I'm very serious about that. I want everybody to be successful. I want people to be healthy and everything. So before I reveal the giveaway, I just want to do a quick recap of parts of our videos we did last year, or I mean this year, because the year is not over yet. I'm going to do a little recap, and then I'm going to show you guys what I'm giving away. The stuff I'm giving away, it's actually in my hood. So I'm going to pop up the hood and I'll show you guys what I'm giving away. So here's the recap. So thank you for enjoying that, guys. So right now I'm gonna pretty much tell you guys what I'm giving away, and I'm gonna tell you the rules to win this really cool prize. It's in my hood, guys. I gotta pop up the hood and I'll show you guys what it is. Where are you at? All right, right here. Are you guys ready to see it? You sure? Are you guys ready? So what I'm giving away for 2019 is, bam, giving a PS4, guys, right here. Call of Duty Edition PS4, 1 terabyte, brand new in the box. Is gonna be one lucky winner. So in order to win this prize right here, you guys gotta comment below on this video, like the video, and please subscribe to our channel, because I'm gonna do some more crazy giveaways for you guys. 2019 is gonna be crazy. We're gonna do so many stuff. There's gonna be so many new cars coming in. A lot of my friends are gonna buy really sick cars too, and there's gonna be car reviews, there's gonna be car runs, toy drives, you name it, guys. It's gonna be a really cool year next year. So guys, thank you for watching the channel again. To win this PS4, you guys gotta like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Comment under this video, like the video, hit that notification button, don't forget, and somebody will be winning this prize January 15th. So thanks for watching the channel, guys. I wish everybody happy holidays, a happy new year, and I wish everybody really good luck next year. So thanks for watching again. Peace out. This is Abraham with the Mogul. Bye bye.